Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
So nama uthuda nzisi.
Naudza nasi ziri kuverengwa naMondlisi Banda,
Hayi wena i-depression ayikufiti.
mutungamiri werap music Khalelo Lovu, otherwise known as Mofu, akatipa album watipa rini album naye mkuru?
Album rabuta last year pa September apa.
Range richipenga album racho atonyarara kuti zi.
Ya ndaenda kunotsvaga basa.
Ukariwana?
Ya pa CSC. Toita zvemabroiler.
Wakutocheka nyama?
Ya ndokucheka.
Wasiya album nyama ukacheka nyama.
Shona zami ngiyacheka. Kati ama-months vele kuyini ngesilokhu zenini?
Oh no bro, I only know Gore.
Months.
Igore years.
Who can do the 12 months ngesindebele?
Me.
Damn.
Me?
Mara ngutshela ukuthi I'm such a hypocrite.
I'm not on
Angikwazi
12.
ifoni yami izindebele.
Your phone is in Ndebele.
Sine mbimbitho naye. Right? Yeah.
Mabasa.
Yeah.
Sikumabasa la.
Sine mabasa naye.
Mabasa.
April phela.
Siku April ubusithi mabasa is what?
Wait, what's January?
Zibandlela.
Nangwazi zibandlela hlola
Mbimbitho,
mabasa.
Nkwenkwezi.
Nkwenkwezi.
Louis, yeah.
It's not let's go.
Wena njengowethula wena.
Nkwenkwezi so November.
Ah.
No, I'm asking.
Your phone is in Ndebele. You can put your phone in Ndebele.
Yes, you can.
March, right?
Let me do that shit.
I do that shit for the culture, bro.
Ngenze ngiyekuma settings.
Yeah, you're finding my
And then-
settings.
Mabasa.
So what's Nkwenkwezi?
Nkwenkwezi must be. What's May? I say May.
Nkwenkwenzi umuntu ongatholi sex wena.
Imina.
Mirai. So when I say Mirai.
Bese nsiya general
Yeah, bro. Language
What is
type and then your first.
language enriching.
Yeah, man.
Language. How Matu?
Yeah, these are refresh. Like it'll literally shut down if it's a set of the language that you want. So fagis Ndebele.
I didn't know that.
So
Wena-
gallery yakutshela ukuthi like
yami njani?
yakutshela so like my gallery yakutshela lamuhla izolo. Nayi.
Your phone is in
Akathi
the
library ubhale library la. Lamuhla enawo.
So what is May in Ndebele?
But okunye kuyabehlula now.
Yeah, okunye kuyabatshaya.
Okunye nakubhale your storage is full. Abathi
Abathi ukuthi isaka le.
ngenye language.
Isaka ligcwele.
bafoza isiphala
Bafosa
sigcwele.
isiphala sigcwele. Ubulindeni. uJane ubelinde ibale
Nangu
lingayisi.
uyezi labo manzi hanya yabona okunye kuyabehlula.
So
Ngebehlula.
uMay kuyini ngelokuzeni?
I don't even know.
Kanti
But-
April May. So the next one uvulile ukuzasibona. Mana ngimfakela misi Ndebele.
Khona phambi birthday yami ngoMay. Ithi May.
Right, sesetha amafoni kuNdebele. Emakhuwa emoto manje kula language amaningi la. Chimakonde, Malagasi, Maori,
Ucansi.
Mapunduguni. Mapundu.
What the fuck is that?
language.
I do not think
Oh,
that is a language.
Undebele.
language.
No, it's in Ndebele.
Yeah, it's in Ndebele, Northern
Ndebele.
Africa. Yeah,
Pa.
Northern Ndebele. It's
If you prefer
oh,
it's different.
What's Southern Ndebele?
Southern Ndebele, nti mina Buddha's ngiya doba.
uyanizwa
no.
boo. Nithengele DVD.
Sifani.
I didn't. Ithi
Ngani
boo boo boo.
sinobuSwati phakathi siphinde
Yeah,
sifane
usually
fane.
isetshenziswa eSouth.
It's South Africa, yeah.
Yeah.
They use it that side. But
Esokuthi ngambetha ngologodo.
If you prefer Zwana
Sinovenda, so
da. If you prefer North Ndebele, English UK will be used as the iPhone language and by apps and websites where North Ndebele is not supported. Applying this setting will restart your phone. Okay.
I find that very
Chichewa,
racist.
Ichinyanja, Sisotho, isiZulu sona sikhona.
Yeah, second.
I find that very racist. That some
Second.
applications are put in English. Because when it comes to European languages, every application has a direct translation to the...
Kulesixhosa la, kulesinye sibhale wolofu la.
What?
This is actually it's crazy. I didn't know this. Manasifake la, pa.
Kabelo sesethi phone yakhe
Now,
Ndebele.
updating languages.
Yeah. I went through it.
Well,
Atisuzayekela isiyo.
yeah.
Relax, I know I die.
Into zokubizwana ngama-owns.
How ref.
Oh, ngi.
This is interesting. I actually also read something
Mina loke
interesting.
ngakufundela survival, but like ngangisebenzisela town no own.
Usurvive amakarati.
Yeah, bro. Ngangu junior council. So kuyabe kumele la ungayangisi. Ntwana.
Nansi research. I saw another interesting fact today. Kuthiwa, if you hold in farts for too long, they get reabsorbed into your system and then they come out your mouth.
Yeah. That one. Yeah, that's how you start talking shit.
I don't even know who would invest themselves in fat so much.
That's how you start talking shit.
Abantu abanuka imlomo. Ngiyalitshela, abayekele ukuhluba ngaba kuthiwa kuni bethengi kuthiwa i-Listerine.
Benzeni.
Suza. Suza kudlule.
But what if usalunga?
Wangathi kulomuntu omaziyo unuka umlomo osukhuluma ngaye.
Akula.
Khona uyanginyenyezela ndoda. Uyanginyenyezela angikwazi kanti uthi khulumela phezulu.
Hayi, kanti njani?
Ngiyaphila ufa uyiswi.
Njani? Ntwana nga-expose abantu. Akula muntu onuka umlomo.
But it's true. So, ungayekela ukusuza. You guys can Google this if you guys think I'm lying.
No, wait,
or
this is real?
go online.
That's crazy.
What, do you think I was making that up?
Ngibuzo phela mina impilo yami iqiniso isezandleni zika ChatGPT.
What?
Yeah. ChatGPT is my life.
So you are publicly owning up to being dumb.
Yeah. No, it is what it is.
You are dumb.
He's a bit slow, this boy. We bring him on this podcast
Why
to
do you
have a
think I'm
contrast.
here?
Balance.
A contrast.
Balance.
He
And
told me-
Lizati, I'm dumb, but a lot of people hear you.
It's self-stuff,
They
yeah.
sebenzisa ChatGPT.
So,
You don't use ChatGPT
No.
at all.
No.
Hey, you like struggling.
wena ufana bomgcini wena.
Mina ndoda,
Sorry, but omgcini
convenience
sebarepenta. Babekhuluma so la, what does
I
sebarepenta?
mean, i-convenience yangisebenzela ndoda.
Ungakhulumeli phezulu wena siyasebenza thina la.
Kuthiwa la menze emsebenzini sorry. Eyazi uJojo.
Off duty.
Kulo mfana kuthiwa nguJoji la bekhona. Hayi mana kulomnye
Yeah,
ubhuti. Hayi mana kulomnye ubaba.
Lona ubaba.
UJoji la bekhona. Olomlomo otshekileyo. Sihlala sizakumcela ukuthi ebe ku podcast la. Baruthi hayi
Akafuni.
yena into ezinje kazenzi. But ulomnye umlomo ofrempayo. So,
Ofrempa as in ukunuka or
ezini ya
Press.
ofrempa.
oh, okay.
So anyway, kufana abantu khona ukuthi umlomo unukiswa kungasuzi. Kufana labantu abanuka amakhwapha.
Kuvela ngamani.
Abatholi ma BJ.
Ababhoji.
Mana nje.
Wilder
Mana nje.
between ama answer and Lloyd.
Mana.
Akwazi yipe out of pocket.
Na.
Ungazibona
Mana nje. See through.
ungazibona unuka umlomo.
Eh.
Awusuzi. It's scientifically proven.
Unuka ikhwapha.
Awunuka ikhwapha. I-oral into oyibona efonini kuphela. Fuck. Ayasihlalela, akwesithinya sihlalela.
Hayi, manje into nale ngifuna ukuyiphusha. Agenda nale. Yazi ngifuna ukuyiphusha.
So
Laba
uyabuyipusha
badondela
so
iroloni.
uyabuyipusha usithi unuke ikhwapha hambe
No,
uyocansa.
hayi ngiyiphusha ku-social media.
Bhuti,
Uyazazi be.
umama kenzi kuhle endlini nani? Ngiyakuzwa.
Awufaki isagilandi.
Sekudingela ngomncane. Yindaba.
Sikhulume nomama bhuti. Hayi,
Siyakuzwa.
backseat bambili lapha bhuti.
Mina
But-
kande system embi.
Ah.
Kungangena umuntu onuka ikhwapha lapha engihlezi khona. Whoever
Uyasho.
useceleni kwami you're fucked because I will just say, uyazi ikhwapha like maybe sesike sahlala kwaba boma 20 minutes. Ikhwapha leli lapha.
Libophefumula imlomo manje.
And oqala ukuzonda.
Oh.
Oqala
But-
ukuzonda.
So wena udlali kuthiwa yini
Roulette.
game liyana?
Yeah.
It's true.
Let's.
But I saw condition yini.
Hayi.
Kulabantu abalohlonzi.
Akwekhwasi ke buyi-condition.
No, but kulabantu
But
abalohlonzi.
i-condition yalapheka.
I don't know.
Uhlofulu lapha ngani?
Wait, okay, I think maule condition, you are told what to do. Like there are certain things you can use to wash, like you know what you must scrub with, lemon le soda. Mawuthenga
Nako uma
idiyo.
ngengikwenzi. Mina ngeke ngikwenze khona. Ngibona
Ungasitholi
lezi ngene
le
ibhathi
hlofu.
namalemoni.
Soda
Mina
yohlofu.
personally ngakuthiwa ngile hlofu. Ngabe ngiscrubba ngelemon le soda.
But you're
And then
right.
ngisebenzisa i-deodorant.
Kulabanye abantu vele abalayo
But
i-soft
amadoda. But ngithwala ama-wipes esikhwameni le diyo yangikhona so that ngokuya ubulokhu
Uyavusa
refresh.
le toiletry bag at that point. Usuthwala isoda lamalemoni.
Hayi awuthwala amanzi ongathi ethwala isoda namalemon but esikhwameni nothola ama-wipes phela.
Nganzi yajayisa
Ukuhlikihlwa.
ibomba ngithwala isoda lamalemoni.
Hayi
Imagine-
periodically like if you
Ingani
go to
umele
the bathroom.
lithekile ndoda.
Hayi ndoda masowutshaye.
Booking.
Sesivula
Harare, ndoda, ufika uthwala amalemon.
itoiletry bag kanije sesibonga ukuthi.
Hayi kodwa
Ladies and
hayi.
Chikaridini. Wait, hello, uyaphuza. Enije. Hafu amdala. Lamalemon. But
Hayi
bakhona
but
abantu abalayo
yakwathi
i-soft
masokushaya
stuff,
10 11 so kumele uhambe ebathroom yekuthi ama-wipes.
Yeah, I think that could be
Okunye
that could be a thing.
sewezigagiwe.
Nah.
Ya, utshanqa
Yiko
Manje
phela-
wayebethanda ukuhaga abantu.
Yiko sibhema
Wena
amashisha
condition
mina.
yakho but
Siyathanda,
ufuna
bro.
ukungigona.
It's all love.
Ukhulumele emlonyeni wami.
Yazi ma-gents, yazi ngike ngadakwa ndoda ngavuka ekuseni namatshela ibhozi ngathi izolo yazi ngiziyangisile bese mbongo haga abantu ngathi kuyini okwenza umuntu engadakwa mbongo haga abantu.
Luthando. Mina ngizwiswe ukuthi why abantu bengadakwa besilwa.
Besilwa.
Lilwelani.
Indlala.
Hayi. Utshwala thobele senama inhibitions.
Nayi.
So we become more ikho abantu vele beqasha utshwala.
Leyana indlala.
Besithi I was drunk. Nah, bro, man, I think I can't accept that excuse. Oh, I was drunk.
I also
Yeah,
it always
yeah.
makes you angry.
True
That's who you
self,
are in
bro.
real
Yeah,
life.
it's
Lie
true.
when you're drunk, bro.
Yabona khona kokutshoyo I'm sure into iphoyilese engayikhuluma. Uqinisile nxa usithi into umuntu azikhuluma sedakiwe.
Yes.
That is their true self. But also you have to understand ukuthi vele part of being a human.
It's filtering.
Yes, it's knowing you're limited. There's nothing wrong with filtering yourself because that's why we have social cues. That's why sometimes I can see something, you can do something inappropriate, and I know this is inappropriate, but because, you know, we interact socially.
Utshwala buyathatha social IQ.
So, you can see the dual because it's true, ukuthi, that's how you really feel. However, there is nothing wrong with you feeling that way and not wanting to express it. Because if feel Taliana between thought and action or thought le word is what makes us respect each other and become respectable human beings. Nothing afuna ukuyipenti namuhla.
Hayi, Gaben, you are going off track again.
No, ngikhuluma ukuthi but I have to filter myself.
know what,
Stop going off track
Abantu
again.
abase-self-aware.
But mina
Shout out.
nginombuzo.
Oh.
What if one of the reasons why alcohol was actually discovered or made or whatever was to get rid of that fear that you have for you to say something
It could
or
be.
for you to
Could
do
be.
something?
Hayi ndoda yonke into ile vice yayo. Do you get me? When they made addictive drugs, they weren't trying to get you addicted. Kwakuyi painkiller.
It's true.
We know,
Ihero-
discovered,
Heroin
oh,
engiyani
shit.
futhi.
Kumnandi
Heroin
la.
la engiyama headache or something.
Yeah.
Yayingiyama I think ama
Pain.
labor,
Was it
even
for pain?
for
Hey.
labor.
And then but
Heroin.
discovered no, imnandi lento.
Akuzala kudala futhi
Pain or no
kwakumnandi
pain?
because baningi semhlabeni.
Kathesi.
Because
Anti
ungamitha.
kuthiwa yi 26 section awareness month.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes, it is.
It is, ne?
Yeah, this niggas.
Jesus, we have
Yeah,
awareness
bro.
months for everything except broke niggas. When are they gonna look out for us?
Akona.
Akula.
ibroke nika month
Hayi.
ukuthi sonke siyaphika
but ngibone futhi kuthiwa
Genuine.
autism lokhoza.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. April.
I think abantu aba-autistic are the best kinds.
ubani autism kwabi
Umuntu autism. That's the best kinds of people. Those people don't
Ay
lie to
kabelo
you.
man, ay kabelo na.
They get like a-
Ay.
alabana bali
Ay.
Aye,
it's
aye.
spectrum sorry
Kabelo yini?
Ay ndoda.
sorry
Yiwo phela wona la umsafe what isikhuluma ngawo na lokuthi umele uzisafe izinto osikhulumayo.
Zuzu sopa.
problem
Lapha unatha. Into mfuna ukuyitho ukuthi somanje lithini ngotshwala.
mini problem la ngeautism ukuthi spectrum zakho nanze too wide kakhulu usibagcabe sifaka sonke
Asakwazi.
bagcina and that's big pharma just trying to get everyone on medication
Yeah, no
because
ADHD.
yeah, sometimes
Umuntu phela uzele ADHD.
it's okay to just
Umuntu
be
use-depressed.
yabo
Do you know what the problem is? Abantu self-diagnose.
oh njengaleyo ungayiqali mdala
Sesi-self-diagnose dog.
esingo ADHD
Ah, so
and
is
futhi
like.
mina kulezinye izitabane ngizibone you know because ngoba usuyisitabane usule OCD no
Cleaner ndoda wakhulisa ucleaner bro like
not only that it's fine you are gay and the
Good for
things
you.
the things you practice require you to keep a certain level of cleanliness that's fine it's understandable ungazidiagnose i-OCD ngoba
hayi
uthwala
problem
ama-wipes
ukuthi
omdiphathi
sesi-self-diagnose bro. Lama lemon,
Lama
lama
lemon.
soda. Kuthiwa ulohlofu. No, gaze.
bring back shame
Lesawuto.
Yeah, nah, bring back shame.
lesawuto
Bring back shame.
Letha Pasco.
Pineapple slice. Konke.
malokuzala
Ah no.
Bro, I'm Tom Tara.
How far topi. Au topi.
In the motherfucking
Topi. Po.
Wakwan.
namhla silo siba lukhulu laba ku-podcast ivale ngalikhuluma kudala ngathi yazi ibala lelifani usiba lukhulu
Lunganani.
like a big feather
Ole ostrich.
yilokhuyana
Chicha what uyabona ukuthi yenzani
Ole pico.
sesu-explainela into ezi-2 obvious next time ngiyakushaya delete that thing I'm tired of your shit man
Mina ChatGPT yaki.
Hayi,
I'm not letting
chill.
that thing go.
angakwenzi
Convenience works for me, bro.
konkuyana
Ah,
but the
nene.
problem ukuthi ivele anyway i-data harvesting is unavoidable in today's
Bro,
age
even if you Google stuff, the
Yeah.
first thing you're gonna see is an AI reference.
mina kathesi
Like it will be Google.
kulama-folder amaningi kulo
Yeah,
AI what then kulo
images.
lo images
But the first one you're gonna see is AI.
I wish I could get rid of it.
You can't.
podcast le idakiwe
You can't.
ikumgcini wagcine sesingasazihluphi ngama-topic ngoba esikade sifuke ukukhuluma kakhulu
And vele yazayisiphi.
Sorry.
Besiyenza ama-topic
isikhathi
serious.
esiningi siyabe sibuya sithi sakhuluma
Sizo
lo
freestyle.
omnye bese phungiqasa ukukhuluma kulo mtsho amatemphisa
Manini.
esithi thina
Qalisile.
kade sithi siyascripta thina la
Ubani?
I met some guy who was saying
The pod is
like
scripted.
the podcast is really scripted and I was trying to explain to him it really isn't.
It's the opposite of
The opposite.
scripted.
We tried scripting it and then we realized it wasn't going to work.
Because everyone keeps wanting to say whatever.
It's true.
Ukuscripta ke bekufuna like abantu abango radio presenter like, you know.
Aye.
But kulami lo.
Oh, look at if it's a iPhone later mangari. Isibhale sin F.
Eh phela sine.
Kera mniamthi namfaka isiZulu. Umabasa.
Mabasa.
Membu.
Angiyali nonsense AI.
Ah, oh, nawe.
Ngidala.
Ah, oh, nawe.
Kodwa ngi.
Don't be dwas man.
Ah, oh, come on. All right. For
This is dwas man.
Akaraufashe.
Hamna mfaka
So nobusithi
isiZulu.
kuthwani kona.
Mana sibona isiZulu.
Hayi. Akula space phela escreenini.
Akakwani ndoda. Akakwani.
Uzudlule ngo-ChatGPT.
Abadangana weak ama languages lawa la. Ngoba istaff esiningi lawa vele ke sibhalwe ngesikhiwa la. World clock. Clock we bathi
Ade kuthiwa apps kabelo.
Mfana mawufuna ukubona ukuthi kulama language angekho weak. Faka isishona mfana khonapho. Faka isishona. Ayawasilamanye amabala ongaza kuwabona, ongaza kuhlangane lawo.
But istaff esiningi
Ishona
yabo.
sikhona.
Ukuthi ngeke sibe khona.
I'm sure
Now
sikhona.
playing, not playing.
Not isishona sinamanye amabala ndodo ukuthi
And the thing is Shona Shona Pela is not just Shona, it's like an amalgamation of Shonas. It's like a bunch of Shona that's why when you kuthiwa wadla wala
Wajla.
into engitsho ukuthi kulamanye amabala
So
ndodo
like-
ukuthi Class onganumbe.
kuvutshiwe.
Hayi into le ngihype up too much, into le weak le. Oh, good skill.
Cherry personal clarity.
Personal clarity. Into le weak le. Jota mna vele bensithi yonkile. Ngithi yonkile.
Uzositshela ukuthi ndothi edropini ngesindebele.
Iphosele mfana.
Ukuthi a lot of the time into lezana I have to do le mali ekhona ngene bro.
Yeah.
I'll give you an example. Because got Black Coffee ndodilo kuyi simulator kwe Formula 1 endlini. When you drive his tin, you might have the same talent, but if you don't have the same budget,
yeah, it's gonna be ahead.
like
That's
ungeva
true.
bro. Like if you go to the place like on a hit streak, you'll find kids on a Sunday bet on dama cricket.
Lan.
Boys here trainer.
Yeah,
Which
la
means
kokunye.
diet yakhe iswi. When you see this trial, it's like beans. Uyathunywa ama visa, that's the only workout you're getting. Kumele ugijime ngiyakhafula
Awuzezwe.
phansi kungawoma ungakabuyi. Usenjini. Iyo ma sprints akho.
Yeah, that's true. Vele khona we can't take away ukuthi as a parent. I mean, I'm not a parent, so people can check me on this. But who was in and it's fine. I'm just a professional uncle, but I know ukuthi to kind of afford your kids the space to really test the levels of their talents, it's gonna need money, bro.
A lot and
Definitely.
Sesingakhuluma anje sesibadala kade sesopinion and sithi my parents were not there for me. They were just trying to make money, bro.
They did no. Plus, you need to understand that your parents did the very best they could. Like asiyala ukhulelanga esingisini, but I promise you, with what they had,
With what they had.
they
Also,
gave you the very best.
at some point, personal responsibility also needs to take a large chunk.
Yes.
Mina, I don't come from a music family. I've said the story, maybe if you look at my first podcast here. Ngazithandela ngokwami. And then when I started recording, bro, my parents say, ungapasa, maybe so, you know, and then my parents would give me imali yokuya studio. Uroki wayehlala enketha. Ngade ngithi okay, Rocky asamse recorder sonke, uRocky Tap, half imali. We get this chance imali yethu. Sibona imali ethi kwani session kuphela ikwande ukuthi sigade umchofu. Ngangokha mina ngisuke etown ngiye 4 wins. Ukuthi ngiye record.
crazy.
But that's because you saw now I could
Passion.
sit there and say, oh, my parents think all that. Dot, ngithi ngasisichayise 4 wins lapha.
Libo endlini yami sinathena utshwala.
Uyabo?
Shit.
So, yazi kufana nani? Did you guys see e documentary ka Mr. McMahon?
No, but ngibone ama highlights lawa. Chomlana changed WWE, bro.
If
Chomlana
you
changed the game.
it's on Netflix. It's called Mr. McMahon. If you go look at his story, bro, that guy grew up dirt poor in a trailer park with an abusive stepdad. The first time he met his dad, he was 12 years old. Already you're at the end of your formative years. That's the first time he met his father. And then his father was a wrestling promoter. That's how he got to learn from his dad. So like, obviously stories like it's dual because he did then pick it up from his father, but from 0 to 12, he was not exposed to it. And then when he picked it up, bro, you know when
He
that
ran
guy,
with it.
when he started,
Lewis Hamilton.
Pasala, but Lewis uqalisa ngumfana at least.
You can go choir, but Ubaba ka Louis is not like at all the man.
Yes.
Do you get me?
It's a 50-50.
Ngaleng. Yes, please.
It's a 50-50 window khona. See ali like it would be nice for abazali bakho to afford you the opportunities to push you or what.
No,
but there's several stories of people who didn't have that
But Zwan,
and they just had will.
Here's the other flip side. Iphela impilo iyafuna ibalance. Look, umzali yena ekhula. Umzali wakhula kuthiwa yahamba esikolo, funde, qhatshwe, sebenze, ubambe imali. It's that simple and that's what worked for them. Basuke emakhaya bapasa i-O-level, baba ngama-prenti,
Bangena
basipana,
isithila.
bayakha izindlu, literally build houses. Sakhula kizo izindlu sangikhona. Great job. So now you're gonna come tell that same guy ukuthi formula yakho le ayisipani.
But yena ukufithe ngayo.
Yena ukufithe ngayo.
Ugqoka ishort endlini lapha izizibunu umpa eshotini la.
Ngeformula yona le.
Ngeformula yakhe.
Uthi wena ayisipani.
Yeah.
You understand? And when ufuna ukungintroduce le formula that can't afford to buy you a house.
Yeah.
Mine
Or
worked.
that he
I have
doesn't know
something.
ukuthi
I have something to show for it for my formula.
Actually,
Equation
man.
ayila equals.
This might actually make me come to a certain realization ukuthi maybe sometimes this is the importance of having a good personal relationship lo mzali.
Mzali.
Because as times are changing, umzali nxa ungamtsheli wena endlini ukuthi isikhathi ezitshintsha, umzali uyasala
Uyasala
emuva.
emuva.
yasala
Yabo.
umzali
Yiko
yasala
sungathola ukuthi thina sinje, lola nyamkhulumela, because baba kenyamazi.
That's crazy, bro.
Tina
Ivele
sees.
ukhuluma ngayo, "Lo."
for real
Thina sinje, our parents are very old school people.
yeah
They, this wasn't really, but it's because thina sasingabantu abatshethe mdala khera.
So kukude.
After a while itime ligcina libona ukuthi abantu fana lapha
Alo
ngale
ama-radio
But
wakho
uyakwazi ukuthi-
kuyabhadala wena mfana
Eh,
wena.
kuyinto
The other thing is, gulula because your parents had you young. So igap liyana ikho
Yeah,
wide kakhulu.
but yeah, not really young. Awuqhube lapha.
Yeah, not really young because
But
young
he-
yakudala kwakuyi-30 years. Karesi young i-18.
Hayi, Andot.
Yeah,
Abazali were having kids at like 22, 24.
No, but my dad had me in his 30s.
Yeah,
Are
lami.
you the first
Yeah.
one?
Eh,
That's crazy. Mina ngabe uya early.
lami khona ngale vele kubo 30.
Mina-
So,
anyway-
kwakufio.
I think part of the point is maybe usuthola ukuthi wena la ufuna umzali understand into that they are not exposed to.
Usufunga
Umzali umele
usufunga
umfundisi.
force feed.
Imagine nje uzama uexplainela umuntu omdala like ozenzele kwakhe nge-podcasting or even ukuthi uku-create i-content
Ukuthi
kathesi i-Twitter iyabhadala for engagement.
Uyethu utshwala.
Usu-explainela umdala ukuthi i-Twitter iyabhadala for engagement.
So I have to post. Mdale
Mdala
kuthola
uthi,
ubhizi uchaya amaskits
Mana so uthi mfana uthi singayalobola abakunika imali.
Ukhuluma ngani na mfana wena?
Lizwi lijoke yami nabala manje.
ngizil.
Thank you very much.
Hathi nasizweni.
Upressile
very much.
kumbe kukweqile.
Award winning.
Sikunika iminutes. Ufuna upressa kathi.
Alright. Man.
okay.
Yeah, miyekele eqale zwisise then.
It'll be cool if you just randomly.
Eh.
That's fun. Engagement.
Thanks so much. Kule clip akade poste nguDobo namhla uyibonile. Ekatsho mlwana the city people have regular jobs.
Yes.
When you tell them your dreams, they are always quick to really, or when you're an entrepreneur and you tell them your business idea, they're really quick to say, oh, they shoot
That's
out.
what
What
works.
will you do if it doesn't work out and you end up broke and you end up bankrupt?
I
But
get it.
then if that happens, I'll turn into you, bro. I'll just go get a job.
Yeah.
Which is the worst scenario.
My
Yes.
worst case scenario
Worst case
is
scenario.
what you are doing
Yes.
right now.
Which is your life. You
Yes, so
understand?
that you understand, Guti, you are actually in my worst case scenario.
Yes.
And you look at me angani mina
Ngani
imi.
mina
A
ngiyahlanya.
lot of the time, abantu bayathanda ukuprojecta ama insecurities abo on like other people. So if
Vele
you
that's
tell
all
them,
people
look,
do.
bro, I'm trying to do music. Ntathi music yazibona ukuthi ungaphi wena. This thing won't work, kumele uwazane labo DJ wena ule curfew ka.
Ufuna ukugida, azibona ukuthi umdala ungakanani usafuna ukugida.
Machens.
But into leyo ila formula.
Vele to seal this conversation hambani lebukile documentary ka Mr. McMahon. Mr. McMahon
I can't
uthe
wait.
eqala
Yeah, lami le mele
i-wrestling
ngiyibone
ibi
le.
stuff se bait hole ndoda. Into lezi yana ukuthiwa vele kungahambi
redneck.
umuntu like being like ibi uyazi ukufala ukuthi mina athi singikhetheni into njengeslaki like ngithi mina
I'm gonna
I'm
make
going to
this.
build a multi-billion-dollar global conglomerate.
That's like.
That's the equivalent of what that guy did, bro. And even during documentary, wrestling has become so ingrained in popular culture. People always downplay cultural relevance. Vince McMahon, he gave us something. Song is very it wasn't there, bro. That nigga had a dream. And then he cooked so fucking hard, bro.
ChatGPT. Queen conglomerate.
Ngama business amaningi. Awe Congo.
Awe Congo.
Awuphekile. Well done.
Hayi, khona look, akho dalga. Ngiyaza. Ngiyaza.
To kind of segue into our next topic. Maybe laba sengiliSpoil le documentary le ngonyenza ukukhuluma, but it's a documentary. It's not like it's a
Akhuluma.
But what's the thing?
towards the end. They even bring up a point yokuthi they even bring in Donald Trump and say, do you know, they say persona ka Donald Trump, the way his public order is actually closer to our
WWE.
characters at WWE than it is
Right.
to a statesman.
Yeah,
Yeah, this guy even says
Right.
you cannot overlook Lokuzen because this is what WWE does. It writes these larger than life characters that say outlandish things and do outlandish things, and they know it. And Baba Cheng, some clip ka Trump, he was so good at WWE laba because he knows how to speak to a crowd.
We can ask, uTrump uyayenza la ibet ukuthi oluzayo
Battle of the
yaphela.
Billionaires.
Yes. Yes.
I think Battle of the
Of
Billionaires.
the, yeah.
Mina ngibazela ku The Apprentice.
Labana wayesebungufoswa lapha nina kuthandayo lokya. So babekhuluma ukuthi you cannot even Vince McMahon sithi our footprint is everywhere in the world. Politics, of course. What politician doesn't want to be as big as the WWE?
You're right, dude.
Adi damn.
And to
Yeah,
this
because
day,
lapha
bro
ndoda
speaks like
vele
that.
yabo big.
Chomlwana treat impilo ngani wrestling ndoda like.
Ubani?
uTrump.
Trump.
Vele with
Yikho
everything that's
sesiyakhona
going
kathesi.
on, and
Yeah.
uTrump uthe
you
yena.
just see ukuthi
uTrump uyenza
uthe yena
ubehave
ufuna
ngani
ukubulala isizwe so.
angani kule Armageddon or
ngathi
something.
ngubani ukhuluma ngathi with the Rock during i-era yakhe yani. So
What?
ngani ngu-Texas rattlesnake. We're here now.
Mana sorry mana. Kanti upoyizela paneze bukeli wrestling ngale. Wafika wathini mtala. Yakhumbula inawezi lakhe lafika lakhuluma something. Labuye lisicebele endlini.
The game is pole. Akwazi lathi wathi.
But yazi ukuthi
Wathaba
wrestling
kakhulu.
yakhe yangichayisa. Dog. Ngizanda wale flashback ye trauma. Yakhumbula ukuthi uJohnson wayechaya iFU.
Yeah.
Mina yimi ngitshela umase akushaya iFU masalo wathi uthini? Uthini?
Mina ngu-grade 2 ngaqhamuka isandla sami sika left.
Wawusenzani?
Suplex.
Yeah?
Ujuju wenja suplex.
I think at some point sonke
suplex.
sabe.
suplex, dog.
That's what it was.
That's what it was, bro. It's suplex.
We did one successful suplex. Sataphinde. This time asiqalele la.
Abanye bokukhulunyiwe, do
Please.
not
Yeah.
try this.
Please,
Abantu bedabuka ama blood
please.
bekhabana bro.
But
I had a cast.
I think WWE is also responsible for many people winning their fights.
Could be.
Yep.
Yep.
Could be.
Mina, my brother, is a very good example. The way he used to fight.
Video.
You know those moves ngani umuntu uzafa vele. Uyabona into leyo uyibone ngo2 ngesande emini ku BTV.
Ku-BTV.
Ngolu Rey Mysterio.
Mina ngesande ngamphuma echechi ngigade
Smackdown.
ngiko Clive. Ngiphuma echechi ngigade ngiko Clive. Ngikhaza asingela dish. Ngisiyabukela i-wrestling. Bese ngigada ngisuka inkulumane ngibuyele emachu.
Is wrestling still as cool njengakudala kumbe ithe sesakhulayo?
So,
Kumbe like
Apparently
remember
it is.
I think
but
it
you know how
is.
like Fast and the Furious used to be like crazy kudala for us.
So I can answer that, but then I'm just giving away some of the things that are in the documentary because they do
Let's go.
answer that. They even say it. Ukuthi i-peak yabo, they know it was late 90s into the 2010s.
Yeah.
The ruthless aggression era, Abo Batista, Labo Otto.
Labo-
Sasa
Yeah.
akabi sensitive kakhulu.
Right.
There we go.
That's why people could say
Abo
anything.
Rey.
Into ezosenzakala ku wrestling actually is
And
crazy.
then
bro.
Attitude Era was so crazy. They even put the clips, and even McMahon says, well, if you've been, moving with the world for long enough time, times change and values change. Right now, our values have changed so much. If you look back at what we got away with on live television in the
We can't
90s,
do that now.
and abantu bathanda ukubela into ziyasebesijudge ukuthi zasenze babesenza i-blackface babesenza
Yeah.
misogyny. They had midgets in there. Those Stone Cold like
Beshaya ibeer.
Yep.
they used to do everything.
Besidla ubhukime nesidla ama-worms.
Ama-worms.
Wena ulokhu nini yena uVince McMahon akazange bemdlisa izibunu zika Thombani isidudla lesana esikhulu Thombani athi ufuna anki man isidudla esikhulu hayi anothi yokozuna
Umaka.
Chance. Go
Umaka.
ulokhu zomfaka kwezibunu zika Umaka on live television on the family.
They
Kwakula-
put
kwakula
even
bo Great
coffins
Khali.
ku-ring.
Lezana zazukhisa ku forehead.
Babona
Yep.
sezikhipha laba.
Hey.
So now, to be honest, WWE is now bigger financially, and as a company, it's publicly traded. It's now bigger than it ever was. But the appeal, the popularity.
PR yabo yazi.
So they even explain ukuthi amajita amaningi abe thina singabe attitude. So njani? Sewuthile futhi?
kulenye ikhofu lapha.
Ukuthi ngo-2020 omunye umuntu wayesangakhohlela sinakho uthalazi.
So but a lot of 90s kids 90s kids cause tina vele thini era anje i-racing vele ama era thina singabe attitude era yabo the rock
Oh.
labo Stone Cold labo what
Labo Goldberg.
Labani? Yeah, labo Goldberg. And then we moved to Ruthless Aggression era. Those two eras, those guys did anything. So a lot of us now, we feel like it's not appealing anymore. Labo but they've had to go.
Ama-chips lana atholakala ngapi nkosi yami?
Awasekho ndoda amaJohnson.
Ayi mnandi.
Ongamaring
shame.
ngokuthani?
Kwakule bhora ule ring.
Sasidlala ngesiqobhingo.
Eyi matsula
Oh,
akho.
Lali rich.
Wawunesiqobhingo. No, as in like i-packaging.
Mina
Sasifaka ezivimbeni zikasiqobhingo.
Mina
Bro, how would you
ngaqhutshela
play?
ama-chips
Ah,
ngazidla
ama-chips.
phansi. Ngaqhutshela ama-chips kumele udle phansi ugijima uzidla.
Ah, no,
Ama-chips
thina
ayakwazi.
Awathi ngasifakisana.
izivimbo
Hayi,
zikasiqobhingo
hayi,
zazile
mnandi
branding, bro.
Qinisile.
So you knew ukuthi esami isivimbo ngesika-Johnsina
Wena
kuphela.
wena uthi isiqobhingo mi-coke soccer.
I think kume coke sock.
Because I'm trying to think
Coke
ukuthi
sock.
phepha lelana likwana njani.
Lalikwana.
Lalimetseka.
Yabo.
Lalikwana.
Even ele
Anyway,
testes.
I never played
Ukuthi
that game that much.
kube different.
Jesus,
Whoa.
dala kwakulama brands are crazy.
Testes
Testes
nje.
yakubamba ngama Sam.
Kula ama-testes yileyi.
Yeah.
Testes.
Ngokuza
Nangifeeling
i-wrestling
ama-testes,
yayingekho
bro.
yini ku-Xbox?
Eh?
Yayikhona?
Ini?
I-wrestling.
Ikhona.
Was it there?
Yeah, it's so it's been there.
Oh,
From
okay.
PS, I think PS1, maybe
Yeah,
PS1,
ikhona.
PS2.
Okay.
So now imagine.
Yazi ndoda yazi ngizondi ibisala ukuloda ndoda u 2K 2024.
Kuwe lapha
Ndoda.
kuhamba njani?
Emini lamuhla
Ngifuna
ndoda
i-update.
network.
Ufuna imba.
Bengifuna ukuthula ngambili ndoda.
So yeah, please guys go check out the. I think it's a very amazing rags to riches story, and
But
it
now
will-
that you mention it, it does explain a lot of.
Can I ask, does he talk about all the... Sorry to cut you off.
Yeah, sure.
Does he speak about the other wrestlers and their lives?
they are there. They talk. But like,
Yebo.
I saw look at WWE. ngaka McMahon.
Ngaka
McMahon,
So they talk
okay.
about how he built the business, but the other wrestlers they come in. Vele kulama talking points amaning. So they focus on turning points where they really went international. Like when they first went on TV, when they first did it. You know, even Jake, this is how insane this fucking guy is. He was doing it WWE. It was going on, and then in the 80s, he went for a 2-day vacation. Long fast work.
Okay.
Mdala ndoda.
Okay.
Ayikho thina sizalwa vele ibisi mainstream i-wrestling. Thina siphuzile,
Ibisi blind.
asitholanga itsha come up. Asitholanga i-era kaKabza. Thina siyithole kuma-Scots. Kuma-Scots. Sikumo-Scots nga. Asithola.
Peak.
So
Ian.
he went on vacation for 2 days. He comes back. He tells his wife, "Goody bro, every sport on the planet is a culmination. NBA got ama playoffs. Lokhu zenini American football ile Super Bowl. Baseball le World Series. Even it disc about Champions League and that. We
That's
need
us,
one.
we need
That's how he
one.
came up with WrestleMania. He just made up something. Said, "I'll
Just
just
called
make a
WrestleMania.
final." Yeah, that's how he came up with the WrestleMania.
Pen.
That's why we have one WrestleMania here. And sometimes they fight to qualify for WrestleMania.
WrestleMania.
Yeah.
Okay, tournament. Compact.
It's really fucking impressive. It will also, these cards are changing, but it will make you realize ukuthi wena into yakho zama ukuyiqala le. It
It'll
might not
take
be as
time.
difficult as you think. It might not be as difficult as you think. Because Tina sonke lapha we're trying things that are already in established industries. Uzama ukupopa ko music. Music isikhona vele. Uzama ukupopa ko agriculture. Agriculture ikhona dog.
DJ bagcwele.
You know what I'm saying? But uthi omlo opopa entweni engekho. Engekho.
But ukuthola futhi into engekho, finding a problem. Because for you to have a solution, to be a product a solution, you first need to have a problem.
Also, I'm
Yeah,
sorry, maybe
understand.
I'm giving away too much of the documentary.
Akulandaba.
But he also,
Sifunge ibuke.
like even at the start, they say what people never realize from
I
the
mean,
start.
if you hadn't posted about it, we wouldn't want to watch it. So
He says it WWE is like soap opera. People just don't realize it's just in broader primary colors. We give you a bad guy, we give you a good guy,
There's conflict.
we give you a conflict, we build up the tension. Sometimes you
Finale.
throw in a damsel in distress. Kuyabe kungumfazi ka-Triple H, akade Triple H ezolela umfazi.
Umtshaya
It's
isivuno.
literally the same old storytelling. And then we have a culmination, a final event, resolution through
You
violence.
know, John Cena is
As
going to
now
fight
when
Randy
you
Orton.
say ukuthi kudala people we were not as sensitive as abantu bakathes. You remember sometimes niggas would slap a hand on in the ring.
Ndoda kulamanye aphuma abocheri bethola ama super kick.
lapha bekufiwa lapha.
kule nyaka Donald Trump yena Vince McMahon he had this storyline of this one girl who worked there was his side bitch and they were babedraga Mrs. McMahon ehlale ku wheelchair ikumlera bemdraga
Hayi, Kabe.
ndoda but you can't get away with those kind of things now
I
And
can't.
can't.
Yeah,
and
no,
then
ngeke.
it gets to a point where Mr. McMahon says he's going back to his wife and then he says to that girl if you want to apologize get on your knees and bark like a dog just got to
Remember.
wamkhiphisa isigqoko so wasale isigqoko iphendile bra waguqa phansi wathi hef hef hef
You can't get away with
imagine
that now.
trying to do something like that
Bengimangala because I
Big
was seeing
2026.
some clips
Feminist
recently.
engahlani.
Betty, when they slap a hand and people would cheer up, I'm like, now, if
Yeah.
you do that, you get cancelled today.
so maybe he also did the right business in the right era where you know
but-
the rules were a bit lax
But that takes away a lot. I'm not saying people shouldn't be conscious of what they're putting out, but when you're taking away the entertainment, bro. This is why comedians are now getting sued. Because you can't take a joke. It's a joke.
people are touchy bro that's why if you really want to enjoy this thing you must do it and not expect to get paid from it Uzenzele okunye.
It's like rewatching isn't just about Family Guy, labo Brickleberry.
You can't get away.
The humor
They couldn't
there.
get
Yeah,
away
no
because
way.
it was a Family
But
Guy.
I don't know. I think we'll self-correct.
About South
We're gonna
Park.
self-correct.
Are they still making South Park?
Yeah. Oh, it's gotten worse, bro. The last two loku zenini. Lana Donald Trump abe phuma khona enqunu like.
You lie.
Yeah, and then he's apparently dating the devil, so they have a child. Ungabuyela nje kama season South Park.
I mean,
Lapana
South
it's
Park
not, it's not even jokes anymore. Like they're now just doing like political commentary. Because nyangikhumla ngihleka ngelu South Park. These days I'm going to see
Shit.
So
But
anyway,
what a time. What a time to be alive.
Iran and Israel, USA, were currently in a ceasefire, a 2-week ceasefire. Funny enough, kungavuka kude MP, ifuel iyaqansa. Impi ngaphela.
Ayiyehle.
Fuel lokhu ilapha.
Aye.
Njengempi eZimbabwe yayihla 2027 ndizayibona.
I'm born to Zayel.
You mean 37?
I genuinely don't think it's Zayel. I mean, I think this is it, bro. I think this is it.
Siphelile vele impi manje.
Abala culture yokuyehlisa nje.
Baza Bafana lo Chero Ncuchanayo.
Ndoda bakutshela
Abala
bakukhoza
culture
ibhruku, bro.
yokwehlisa.
Abanacatshe kwehlisa bro.
Bars. It's your boy, Big Boy. Welcome to the Hip Hop Central Live.
No, abalayo ndoki culture yokuyehlisa. When's the last time? The only thing but yini eyayehlayo ndoda. Come to think of it. Into aziyehli typically.
Yo, man, if we have to think that long, really, that's our
That's
answer.
my
already.
chat, bro.
andisingasakeza $10.
Hey,
Yeah, but
Bayikeep it 10
even
cents.
now, I'm sure it's about $10.
zikhona eziku-$10.
Hey, it's
but,
like-
Yeah, but always
Yes,
ngawuthenga
yes,
emsikeni vele uzathola $5
Yeah.
into ezinjalo.
but at least
Ngawuthenga usakoki lapha nekhoneni emathu le-Roma. Shout out to usakoki. Yazi angikhathela
izinto-
iclip le ngitshengisa itime lami. Usakoki wafaka mthala.
hayi izinto aziyehla ngapha yikho khona lo
Izinto lapha ezagcina khona ukuyehla drastically. It's when Gabe was alive.
yeah because they do like
As a
press
audit.
controls and
Hayi thina vele siyehlisi. Siyabonga utshintsha i-currency. So kuvuka ama-price amatsha awusakwazi ukuthi kwehlele ngokukhwelile.
siyatshintsha exchange rate
Siyabonga
and the
Nkosi.
next thing you know idollar sekulizik but
Sekuyi-ZRBT, yes.
but
But
From
yeah.
what? Bearers check.
So like-
Nangimangele
Yeah,
khathesi.
we've
so like
been,
umchova
guys.
uyabuya $1 for 2 but
What
uyi
currency
15
holds, eh?
rand but
I
uyi
will
50
be-
zik but uyi 20 but akutshintshanga
Nangimangele khathesi kulo choma dithengisa ama-chocolate lapha ne-City Hall. Ama
sifuna ucabanga ibrand
Waphi?
Sakuyini obvious.
lunch bar
Lunch bar.
Lunch bar. Ebe $1 for 3.
Huh?
yeah
Was that the normal, like, hayi
like
imali
lokana
le?
okuncane lokana ben
I don't know.
Been
man.
like that,
$1 for
bro.
3.
Ngiyakwazi
Vele,
hayi
hayi, $1 for
5
3.
rand.
hey
Angani?
hey
Hayi 5 rand
so
esikolo.
$1 for 3
Esikolo wafunda nini wena?
is that the new one
About 20 something.
yini leyo ndoda better us check
What's that?
It's a $20 note Zig.
I
Oh,
don't
any
even
pume-
know.
The first ever Zig I've heard.
Oh, the
Mina
fresh one. You got the
ngangizange
fresh
ngibone
joint,
vele
brother.
Amazi
Oh, no,
kanjani?
ngilidala.
Ngilidala
Phela
leli.
kule
oh
Kulelidala.
I'm familiar
phela
Yazi
manje
mina kule nto ongayinanzelayo ebulawa izigal.
hayi arara kugcwele
hayi anje thina vele sidivide egweru ngapha lirandi then from ngale so
yeah
siziki.
bro mina bengisho ukuthi uthole like i-barriers check or
Hayi phela anje kule
elitsha
liphume
eh
mhla
kuthiwa
ka-8.
badrophile
Lipo mhla ka-7.
Mhlaka 7 namhlanje mhlaka 9.
Yeah,
Ah, but
drop in.
ngapha lezafika. I
The
don't
issue is
think
it's,
so.
currency, bro. The fact that you can't use that anywhere else but here.
Yeah, khonoko.
Yabo.
Hey, imali yethu nale
Imali
bangani.
yethu mabangani. Omele ukuthi isebenzise. Unije uchaye culture shock uthi fuck.
Uyaphelelwa phela ukuthi
Uyaphelelwa
quality
nje.
khona.
So do you guys think
Shit.
Donald Trump won this war? Do you think the USA won this war? What's your take on
I don't
the
think
outcome?
USA won the war. Ukuthi uTrump imedia yakhe indlela ayisebenzisa ngayo. Like in the USA, I'm pretty sure those guys are convinced that they're winning the war. Because Trump is gonna tweet every 10 minutes that he's gonna win the war, but they're going to have a ceasefire. Ukuthi into zakhe as balance. We are
Azikho
winning the war.
coherent.
Yeah, as coherent. We are winning the war.
We've
But we
already
have a
won the war.
ceasefire, but we won the war, and they know we won the war, but we are talking.
But NATO doesn't want to help
NATO
us.
doesn't want to help. Also, UN kantlini. Anti ngidala. Umsebenzi we-UN kuyini?
Hala brabendla.
Anyasho ngoba mina ngazi. Like
Hayi,
genuine.
UN.
Ungazi akusikho kubadala.
Umsebenzi we-UN usuke ube kuyini dog?
UN ngama peace observer lana, they monitor the situation.
I genuinely believe
Yeah,
if you
UN
need like a job
board.
at the UN, you
Yeah,
need to be
bichekile
very good at
kuphela.
like chilling. If you're a chiller,
To an
next
extent,
you
net-
make like a
I think UN maybe abimele lead ukuthi itshele ukuthi yenze.
Yakwazi maybe enye into
Because-
eyenza kahle.
Because
imedia bivela kuba.
Yeah, but it's the same as khona kokutsho ukuthi Trump the way he's using media. I-UN yathola influence. Ifake from whatever's happening then.
but
Ifake
then-
umbono based on a certain influence they get.
Mina vele I feel
Because it's
like
not like UN actually decides and says ukuthi straight from them. Because if that was the case, then things
But
would be
then
different.
that then defeats the purpose of the organization as a whole.
That's what we're saying, Ben.
It
Vele
defeats the
that's the
purpose.
point.
So kwabo ngokwepoyoyo.
yeah le ipoyo lene le
Eh.
pins
So
ezicrashiwe.
kwabo sokuyi charity work phela.
Hey,
That could be true. Iproblem
Ubryce
ekhona
ule uyasikoloda
iporridge.
iporridge.
Price usikolo iporridge.
Ipoyoyo. Price
Yebo.
asikhohlanga.
Issue
Anyway,
ekhona.
price
issue
of my
ekhona-
porridge.
Idog.
Yike ngabuya.
Issue khona nge-UN is that it's made up of nations in the first place, and for most of these guys, national interest will always. And?
So yini diplomacy.
Yeah, ngoba nanku
Yeah.
khathesi i-UN asithi sihlezi khona basengu-6. Ungakhohlwa phela ukuthi sesingavumela anti Machens nombhaka. uSteve lo baba ngase sebe nostana.
Uthe
Thina sesivumela ngi-UN.
Machens.
uSteve ehle ubona njengawe wena.
win.
Thula zwi.
Because
ngiyakwazi ukusala.
Because
Yabo?
eh
So individual I'm like
imali kaThesi.
i-influence yona le
Aliko
esikhuluma ngayo.
Dangote.
ngani.
Ngama oil reserves zakhe.
I didn't know Dangote has oil reserves.
Does have oil reserves. That's how he has coins, that guy. That's
Yeah,
why he's
but he
got
was-
the coins.
It was I just knew like factory like chukela into ezinje lokho zenini.
Oh, he's got oil reserves, that guy, and he's making a killing. But I don't think ukuthi ama reserves zakhe can meet the demand. That's why I look at ifuni straight as a fool. Yabo?
That's true. Do you know ukuthi America inadvertently turned Iran into a superpower? Like in the last 2
Like
months.
right now, Pela.
We watched
Yes.
Iran turn into a superpower because if you remember, Russia controls about 11% of the global oil. That's why Russia is such a superpower. I feel like Russia was pretty much at the highest. And then suddenly, Iran have to control 20% in Strait
Danke,
of
Habibi.
Hormuz. So we control 20, bro. That's 1/5 of the world. And now, East Strait says at 2 million per ship. There's at least 156 ships per day. These niggas are looking at maybe 2 billion a week now.
Fuck.
That wasn't there. Yeah, bro. Iloko Zenini is really on the count. This war, if you look at
That's why I'm saying there's no way America won this.
yeah, if you look at the economic side, Iran came out on top because the 10-point plan yabo abayisubmitile earlier. Once again, bayisubmita kudala. Trump esenza ingene before it deadline. But it's because it deadline ibisifika amajidelo city.
How far?
Bring it on, G.
Thina umbhaka sile 30 years
Thina
kumele.
umbhaka.
Vele sasikwazi. Iloko Zenini always knew Iran. They always knew this was going to happen. And they knew it was also going to come from Israel. Iran has spent the last 3 decades fortifying themselves.
Cooking.
They've been ready.
They've been
Yiko
cooking.
bekhuluma even amajida military kade se-Iran since ezibhoys ayekwazi ukuthi
Mina
those guys
ngikhulela
are coming.
ukuyalwela.
One day they are coming because they've had tension since the 80s. Vele America le Iran.
Yabo.
Yeah, it's-
Ah, le yi-winter Game of Thrones.
asonto ebonga uthutsha kade they
The
always
winter
have on
is
and off
coming.
action tensions. But also issue America la ichigedelela. Uyabona kade sebesithi Iran was a threat to national security ye-US. That's how almost they justified this war. Kuti Iran had become a threat. But when they say threat to national security, what they're not really explaining is the fact that they're not saying Iran has a capability of bomb Chicago, Washington DC, because those are 5,000 mile radius missiles, and I don't think
they
maybe the
can't
longest ever is like
reach.
3,000. America ilama military base kuma surrounding countries. Our Iran, or
So they can go for
Kuwait, or
those, yeah, yeah,
UAE. So when they say those guys are a threat to national security,
They're a threat
they
to
are
those
basically
guys.
saying your country is too close to our guns. Imagine. And that's what Iran was hitting this whole time. They hit military bases because they knew ukuthi. So it's like when ufike ndoda
Elikuthembileyo.
sime so sikhumbule ezinye indlela ngizithi hayi uJane phela from ngiwo lapha use hayi asimbulalele uJane. Kodwa into esibuye sakuthi
Yes,
mama ngithi.
akukhombeli.
Imagine.
Mina, I don't think America won the war. If they had, they'd have done it good.
Well, they didn't by miles. Now they have to pay for the straits now. The average American citizen is living through escalated cost. And now they've made Iran a superpower. They've
Did you
given
see-
Iran more strength.
Did you
And
see they made that ad? I think I saw this somewhere on Insta. Ungani Barack was trying to make a comeback.
really?
Yeah.
I didn't see
It was
that.
doing
Uteni.
a comeback.
Barack.
Who was
Barack.
okay?
It was Yabona, there's that thing they did lo Anthony Edwards, like that game.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, I see.
Yes. You know that segue when he was saying, "Now I have some unfinished business." Where
maybe
someone was
it's just
cooking it
hype.
as if Umemba wants to come back.
But the constitutionally is not allowed. Most 2 terms max. Doesn't matter how badly they want to. They have to rewrite the constitution.
Bayakwenza lathi, it's possible.
But anyway, gents, to close us down, actually, America might not be done losing this war because economic after effects is still happening, and the biggest one, it's pending. It might not happen, but if this one happens, then they might be fucked because monetary system yethu esisebenza global petrodollar, which means oil reserves traded by the US dollar. That's what has given the US so much strength as a currency. Every country is forced to bank US to trade in oil. But now it looks like Iran might agree with countries BRICS to start trading in yuan, Chinese yuan. And if countries stop using the US dollar,
It's chai.
that is
That's
the
okay.
decline of
Chai.
America.
Kuyazokuchila.
So utsho umloyi ngabe bachisele endlini bro big time. Utsho umwene we-WWE lo algogeni lapha ngathi utshisa ithambo la.
But nguye abamthembileyo. Nguye president wangikhona.
Well, nah, I have a strong belief. Do you know, I actually believe that Vince McMahon would have been a better president than this guy.
That's
But
how America
however-
got to where it was.
Ngizakhuluma into ezi nokuthi
But wena bengakukhansela bayakuthathela.
baba
Bayamthathela ingwane.
ubone
Bayamthathela ingwane.
iPhone la.
Bayamthathela ingwane. Bayamthathela ingwane. Lezi asimanga kahle ingwane zakhe lezi Jake.
The people who elected this guy into presidency knew what they needed someone who's controllable. I think like Vince McMahon wasn't going to be controllable. There's zero in national interest for America to be at war with Iran right now. The only people who stand to benefit are Israel. Because what they will do is if Iran falls, Israel gets to control that strait.
All right.
And then Israel becomes a superpower. And then they can fully finish their genocide in Gaza, wipe out Palestine, and become a superpower, which is what Israel wants. So they needed someone in there. But this doesn't make sense. Iran is a threat.
But mina ngicangikubuza ngilombuzo ngento lezele sabukuzikhuluma lithi anti-pessimism litheni antiseptic so
Antiseptic thing.
yona leyo ngicela ukubuza ukuthi Can you define that thing for me? Because I feel like people confuse criticism for hate speech.
Yeah, but that's exactly the point. They want to make sure that line becomes so blurry, even if you criticize, it becomes hate speech.
But doesn't that then make you the monster in the whole thing?
100% does.
Is that not the irony in the whole thing?
100% does. There's a certain painter from Austria. Do you guys know a painter from Austria?
I know paint from Austria. I know painty from
Which
Austria.
one?
The famous painter from Austria. You don't know the most famous painter from... The guy was from Austria, was a painter.
Oh yeah, I know.
He tried to warn us. Do you know if you want to go Google him, if you go Google him, go TikTok, you won't get
Yeah,
results.
you won't find.
But you must type what I just told you. You must type Austrian painter. That's how people are trying to bypass the algorithm to just get information around.
Yeah, ngafeyila I mean, you can't get. They'll tell you something about like community
Wafeyila ini?
guidelines. Kwasha kwacima.
Wafeyila kwenzani?
To fail religious and moral education.
Ah.
You know what I mean?
Ngafeyila ukusearcha.
Manje uqedisa
Ngangifuna
into
ukusearcha
ukufeyila
u-
kungani
i- i-
i-sensitive topic la.
Ukhulume njenge-iPhone yami. Usufeyilile ukusearcha.
Usufeyilile ukusearcha. Sowehlulekile. Nqaba.
Uyisehluleki.
Nqaba. Uyavuma.
Ulokhu uzala sebemvalela i-wireless machens.
Uyey. Ngendaba zona lezi.
Same people.
Same people.
Wireless is cancelled, bro, because they
The
wanted...
whole event, ne?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
they wanted here to head...
To headline.
But you are this bekufika ndoda.
Ndoda, ubona stage lesana senze was it
Really?
Sophie?
Hayi wireless.
Listen,
ndoda. Hey.
Bro, look at Abeku
Iruth
stage.
wayibonile
One
yenzani
thing I
le?
wanted to. I-wireless blind.
And that last stage was crazy. I mean, I thought that, like, come on, from the stage alone.
So
Redeem the boy.
apparently it's cancelled, and he wants to meet with the Jewish leaders of the UK community to manage about titisa to their face.
I mean, I think he should just stop fighting the thing. It is what it is, bro. Like,
I don't know. I hear you, but then that's why they say evil prevails when good men do nothing.
Utwa
Ucha isikia labda nafana-
Shakespeare was found shaking. Utwa evil prevails when good men do something.
And good men do nothing. So, angazi sabondisanga, but it's a small group of people, bro, who have such a strong hold on the world. You know, angisoze ngizikhuluma into lezi on a public platform. You must
yazi-
hang out with me personally to hear me rant, or you must have my
Yeah, let's vent.
or ube le WhatsApp number yabo ngiventa kuma status ngabantu laba.
But yazi wireless ndoda ngikhumbula i-performance leyana ka-Rudy leyana ndoda. Kusemini bro. Akahlabelanga lutho umthita abantu
bamtshayela.
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 Emini wabona kwakunjani?
Bamtshayela.
Why can't we have festivals like that, bro?
Here.
Like ngo-3 emini vele kube sokugcwele. Kube sokufresh indoda. Kube bro.
But ngizokuthiwa
Okunye
NTS and
asilama
friends
drugs.
yezama usenzela into enjalo.
Yeah, well, we're
Siphekele.
getting there. We have to.
Kata
That's the point.
amabhiza.
Maybe we have to kumele sifundise abantu ukuthi ifika nemini say honina boshing tjena tjena fuck off but
Kumnandi kwezingoma lo ka. Bro, let me tell you, James.
Kuyiswilo kana.
Sneaker simnandi dog.
daughter that day
Sneakers imnandi,
that day
dog.
umgcini we play you
Uyazi.
wedini wa
Ay, man, ngwedini. Umgcini. Ngathi mina mgcini wena ulinika wena.
hey ndoda kazi ndoda yazi ngiveka
Awumnandi,
uzinhloko
Ufike uzikhanda abantu
Lenze
bongwenzini.
mbuza ethi ingoma le yipi. Ungisendele ku Spotify. Abachaya dog anathi cooked.
bushman coming
Bushman. Yeah, no, it's Nika Simnandi, but it would really be nice to have like 3-day festivals, bro. 3-day festivals, Sisekangeni, middle of nowhere, and we're rocking. Like Boma rocking the days.
manje mangutshela this is my take with our current economy iproblem ngama-festival anjalo
Kumele siyosebenza.
mana iproblem ngathi thina abantu be-arts we must be aware ukuthi i-market yethu the people can afford to do these things are married men and they're not trying to go to those events with their wives.
Bro is onto something.
That's the difference I've noticed between this country and the other country I've lived in. The other country really know how to
Rock.
make sure that you have those people and they still go back home safe.
Yeah, you
And
see what I'm
would,
saying?
you understand? Because in as much as also social media has social media plays a big part in that, because social media iyabifocuse kwezinye. I-social media lapha iyabifocuse ukukhuluma khona ukuthi amajita lapha amele angebe la. That's where the difference is. And
Oh, yes.
vele it's gonna take time, bro. But what KB is saying is actually what happens and what is needed
Ayikuthina
for ukuthi kupope. Yes.
ikuthina sakhula abantu be-street kuyabe kuthiwa uyagida 3 days awudinwa.
ungazi event here one day ayabuya ama-2K ama-2K somele ukuthi ama-2K semadala phela selabo 25 26
Yeah man, now it's 2K end.
ama-2K ayabuya sibile kholiso, but if you want to do an out of town 3-day event where people have to drive out in their cars and pay for
But bro,
accommodation,
here's my chat. You never know. It doesn't have to be like a 3-day event and then you're expecting like 3,000 people your first event. No.
Yeah,
Senza
okay, you
300
build
yona
into
le
it.
eyabuya.
For sure.
Maybe.
For
Senza
sure.
300 yona le eyabuya, we rock.
No, yayikhona
But also-
lana eyayise false. But lana nxa wawubonakala usiya khonapha vele wakuthiwa uyilezana vele ezingasakhuzeki. That's the problem. I understand that.
kusule nalo
Kube west kuyabe kubhukwe uNiger, so kuthiwa uNiger nguye uleader kwalabo abangakhuzekiyo.
Economy yethu seyasenza saba uptight kakhulu bro. Like you're too worried about everything else to let loose like.
Yeah, but that's true. I didn't I give you the same example. Was it 2 weeks ago when you did that episode? Ngathi ngabona video one of those countries of Finland.
Yeah,
Abantu
bro.
besiyabukela inkomo
Besiyabukela
zivulela for the first time outside of winter. And the
Inkomo
top comment
zijamile.
was, these are the things you
We
start
should be
doing
doing.
when you're not worried about basic things like water,
Because
electricity.
you can't be away for 3 days.
Mina
3
kathe
days akula manzi akula magetsi ubhizi uyachakala ngubaba umuzi.
mana kuthi andiqinisile.
Avele ndoda kabe
Ubaba
sokuthile.
umuzi
Ukuthi
uyachakala.
uyaphendula osunchaya.
Mina khathesi before ngisuka khathesi ani. Mina khathesi before ngisuka.
Ah.
Kade kumele ngidisconnect ama-fridge endlini because kule chance ngiyathi ngingekho amagetsi engahamba ama-fridge adrain isola. Ngiyafika endlini sokumnyama.
Sokumnyama.
So every time ngiphuma endlini somele ngidisconnect i-fridge.
Yeah.
You get me? So in as much as abantu bayebefuna to really let loose.
Ngizahamba
Kuba
3 days.
nzima. Uyahamba 3 days isola.
Ngichi i-fridge iplugiwe.
Thola kuchila.
Ngiyathola kuchile. Ngichiye ngiyanplugile isitshebo sonke esifayile. So
But
somehow I just gotta
it'd really be cool ukuthi even ongama boys trip dog. Chaya phansi. Into zonalezi ezingama luxury.
Nangazana lo I'm very good friends with the creative director we NDS and Friends. I'll have a chat with him. He's a guy who kind of listens to this kind of
Akahlupha,
thing. Told us ngaba lenye NDS ethi asike sithi
Shui.
ama picture onke sesibonga uloda we-AI abantu
La
bethe
mfungihamba ule passport.
Kaya ama picture fanayo why day 1, day 2, day
no
3.
passport no
wena
age.
ubonga utshengisa istage lama
Kaya ama silhouette. Kaya ama silhouette.
stage lama deck
Yeah,
10 pictures.
no passport no entry.
You know, maybe
It would really be cool, but abakwenza kathesi ama event promoters akwenza kathi. It's still pretty cool, bro.
Oh yeah, no.
Hlanganisa abantu is
I was at Garden of House this weekend. Oh, I bumped into this guy. Lo prize when like I was also with Obangani Bechuluka. Oh, it was
There's a video I saw uViper to isethi kaMlungu.
What?
Ivideo yes, ivideo lena wena awuyishootanga because vele bukhuluma lesinya
Awukhuluma
dlala. Ukhuluma lenye member.
Yeah, I saw that on like some status.
No, bukhuluma lenye member like but umember benganise kubangela umsindo ndoda. Because uMlungu
because umember was locked in, uMlungu echaya.
Uzinhloko to Afro House ngithi okay nantani nigalani.
Let me see.
good status covered.
kaMlungu.
Manje ke sikamlungu.
Mbona status kaMlungu.
Ulocked in njekile kumbe bilokhu ukutshela ukuthi dog I've got a freestyle for you.
Ndoda beloku sithi lethi CV
Mana
ukuthi
mana
Mana
to. Awutsheli lokho.
Mlungu bakuseve ngegovernment lesibongo la. Bengutshela. Umfana lokuseve isibongo sakho bengasazi jomnali.
Bamsebele ikokeshi. Mana ngimsendele i10 cents mbonye.
Awuzali boy. Amna zangicolela vele government name bro.
Uyayibona uyazibona fa? How? Yes.
Ulocked in dog.
ungabona ngikufake government name azizwanani kahle.
Mina manje yakwazi ukuthi I can't do it any other way.
Sorry?
Lingaba ngomishe li 3.
Yebo.
Sokuhlupha.
Mina ukuthi ngebe
Awuba Cape Breeze kanti wengathi. Khona bizama ucawunti bisithini kumember lo.
You know, this is like
busy freestyle.
ndoda ngibone
Buya lapha ngiyakunika
Come to the studio.
sipas.
ungizendele enye ipicture yomunye umuntu ondirekhode ngiwokha futhi umuntu ade nganathi ngemva kwami abe ngithi
Kuhamba
khathi
njani?
busy you know, to be honest bro,
It's the price of fame.
sometimes when you are popular, fabbing is just out of the question by
Can't
just
do that thing.
by just the reality of the situation.
Of the situation, yes.
Of course, I'm not saying it's the only thing stopping me, but it becomes a strong hindrance.
Even interest yakhona vele suki because you have so many more things to do and so many more people to talk to and people will just
Mofake
keep
status.
coming to yo bro yo
Ufake
yo.
istatus akade sithi egadeni uyaqhawula amantuza ubamba i-COVID futhi. Alapha siyabingelelana
Garden
manje.
family event bro.
Alapha
Laba
siyabingelelana madog.
garden NDS ukuthi lokho zayisekho man.
Ini?
Manje.
Aba mina manje ngaqhawuli kakhulu. Hayi manje aba ni manje ya.
I saw.
Yeah, manje was
What is
also.
Didn't they put out a thing yokuthi they're making like a comeback
I
nyana?
mean, i-NDS ngikwazi kulabantu abachata via NDS.
Abanengi actually.
Abahlangana
NDS there's so many I think sengithola ama couple like 4.
Mina
Daughter.
angabona khona ukuthi ninje
Wena
disorder
ungazi
friends
upartner
labana.
yakho isithi ngisaye NDS wena ungekho.
Angiyi, awuyi.
Mina ngabona khona i-NDS labana sese family event.
Eh.
Ngabona sokuduma uRico. Rico umuntu Rico. Kanti su Rico nina.
Labana bakapitalize ukusocialize.
Ngathi laba
Mina ngabona abantu sebegida lo masalo bro.
ndoda.
That's when I knew ukuthi masalo uhlale ebuza ngabo abantu
Because
abantu.
sithi ngabona khona i-family.
Ungapubani bani
Ngabona i-family event.
That's how you know ukuthi
Amasalo
labana
kanije wathi ekhwele stage. Where's the crowd?
how did they know bro?
Because half the crowd knew, oh, that's his mom. Ngathi into le kube siyenzele Woodlands le sayini. Kube siyele kodwa siyenzele Woodlands lokho.
I'm not try for the last one. Last time
Wayengalandanga
ngifonela phela
i-NDS.
ngomcimbi. Ngingatshaya
Uthini?
ifomo dog. Ngangifonelwa ngomcimbi at the last NTS.
I
Ngangile
missed
fomo
it.
ndoda.
Nakulomunye umama I think wayengalandanga i-NDS but kule into kulomuntu emlandile ezomthatha. But ukuthi asuke manje.
Kwazokunzima.
Ubone sebamba amabhiya sesikida.
Kule polisa lelane langena kuthiwa lizosipana.
Abalifonela ukuthi ezosibopha.
Mayelelana lacinazelile esestage lithi hayi mfana unoro wa radio mfana.
Baba phambili estagini.
Mfana unogona.
Unoro wa radio shasha. Uri shasha mfana.
Phutisa speaker yemba.
Uyakhuletiwe nyaya yakho shasha.
Rasta unogona.
Rasta.
Ajina my events ethu la they are really doing well dog and it's also nice to get there.
Also,
and
the production is really up there, bro.
It's top tier.
mina phela maybe ukuthi abana ngangaye emabhawa ngabo 2010 zazingelakho lokho sasilani lapha.
Hayi,
Nini?
kwakule
2010.
kalawa.
Kwakulabo All Star labo.
Yeah,
kalawa.
2010 vele
Oh, I don't know. Also, but me
Labo
All Star. Do
fireworks.
you want to know something crazy?
Production, bro.
Never went to a single All Star.
Mina namane curfew.
Yakwazi ukuthi-
Ngasebhodini.
Yakwazi ukuthi-
Curfew.
Nansi na mibhiya
Ngaphutha.
ngaziphuta zonke.
I-production is something to be talked about, bro. Like ukubonga ufaka
yes
istage.
that's what I was about to say ukuthi akufanani from like back in the day it wasn't really a thing to
Yeah,
actually
like
invest
people are
in.
Even ama
Yes.
kuthi akuyinama screen nana what describe any.
Answembu lawana, kuthiwa
ama
manje.
LED lan
Blind okay.
Ku-blind lokuya
Eh.
ngabona
khokana ndoda uthi uSteve Ovu uyahlala phansi epheke
adwebe dog.
ndoda akuthelwa ngelandaba ubonga ufaka
Lana
iveli
uphombuka
ofaka
uzothatha
ilogo
iveli
leBolingers
Lawana ngama
chai radio man woskide chai radio lapha landela usibakho vele lihlanye labe li right lonke
And ama
legit.
events akudala
Kudala
vele.
vele kwakuponga ufaka ilembu.
Dawa ngamasayidi
Sesikhaya.
angu-2
You know?
yengini.
Kutshowe, bro.
Usebenzisa sound ye venue vele.
Promote
Awuyile
vele
vele.
budget
awuthola
etight.
udingo okuningi
Tusithi ufuna i-smoke machine kuthiwa ew. Smoke
Nxa
machine.
kuthiwa ubhowesile hayitendelelani lezikhala
lesikale listretcha
stretch.
katselanga lokho lisestyle entendele
liyinatsha
Hayi emshadweni.
Liyinatsha.
Hayi i-term ze-production ngama-unsung heroes, bro. Term ezijuno sound engineering labo-stage what le lighting aba-blind
lalezi ezingosteve
yeah
shout out Steve
He's
Ovu.
a-
but also yeah, shout out Steve Ovu, shout out Sound Culture,
Shout out Brand New Marketing.
bro,
Sound
like,
Culture, shout out PS.
Shout out, bro.
Aye, those guys are
Mfwebo,
hectic.
like,
And the nice thing about
Mfwebo.
those guys, personally, from my experience with U Freeman, Sound Culture, Mambazo, PS, You tell them what you want, and
They bring your idea to life.
whether they have it or not, they make sure that you get exactly what it is that you want. So maybe the problem now isn't the creative direction
creative.
to what you want the event to be. Maybe people are not really investing in having that dream of saying, I want stage sebench. You know,
Ufuna ukukhulisa
and maybe that's
people.
where also we that's what sets like Amalokos apart,
Ama
because
events apart from the
NTS we
other.
make sure we give you a stage. SC will try and make sure the stage was uzaqala usibona kwaphana, and maybe
But also
never
exposure
again,
has a lot to
you
do
know?
with it, bro. Like you
True,
can't want to
true.
do an event
True.
when udlalela lapha kuphela.
Yeah, no,
you really
exposure
have to
is-
get out there. Uyabona ukuthi amanye abantwana benzani.
Correct.
You know? And then
Because otherwise uzabuya lokuyi-speaker wakho konke
Eh,
vele uzabuya le lembu lakho lebholinjaz. Ulifakile. Yabo.
afake lokho ebholija
cha man, lezana
No, real,
zingilanda
because Bollinjaz
abantu.
maybe promote.
sisazenzela amaposta mdala
Hey, guy black and white.
Yeah,
Akuvula event ani peace in the trap eKutupa 2011. Unike senzani ukuposta mfana?
thina
Juno
sinje
Silunike.
thina abanikazi sasingakabi nama-professional photos yokuthi abanikazi
Yeah,
be-event
fine.
yokuposta
Ungayenzi.
so kumele ufake uNicki Minaj
Nicki Minaj etunusile ndoda kuposta.
Fake lo
Ungabeki
Drake.
Amaposta lawana
njengabo
busy in the trap.
amaposta lawana ku-city bag
Ka
kaprice
price exactly.
uprice bokuvula i-city bag yakhe kila amaposta abe
La maposta ante wona ama-CD kumele ubhale phela ibizo le
artist.
ingoma kumele ubhale ingoma eziku-CD. Yayithatha yena amaposta kudala kangapha
Fake
beli
bona
white be. Ngapha li black and white but ngapha li clear. Ibhale track 1 track 2 track. So manje ate yakhipha yathi yazi no I remember this gig ngangilo the OG. Igig leli yilo actually la ngivulelayo ukuthi ngiyefana namajima.
Remember what I nostalgia.
amadisk akhe zawaplayer sabona
Ah, no,
ukuthi
so- Shout out promoters.
ngokuyikalawa
Shout out promoters, you guys are doing an amazing job.
Yeah,
Sponsors
no.
blind, organized. Abantu bangena kuhle, akula sixhobe security is pretty cool.
Shout out to-
Kula bantu abakhalayo.
Gideon Security
Yes. Yes. No, because hey, njenge Gideon actually do more than they're supposed to.
they do more than they're supposed to
For NTS specifically, because you futhi abachuna aba verify attack. They're not supposed to be doing that, but because they're well versed in what they're supposed to do,
what
they
if
even do
nisebenza
more.
khona uma ufungena ungelatheki bathi
Mina bangiyalisa bro. Kodwa mana bichana itake lakho linga.
Gideon
Nije.
Kodwa
Google the thing.
mana sorry put.
Gideon.
Sorry put. Thosondela ngapha kule moto efuna ukungena.
mina bekuposta mperforma
bebona
Gideon.
iface yakhe so
Gideon kadlali bro.
awuphinde
theki lingaphi mdala
sisi khona abandoda kwaba uyabusa emoteni nodakudu imoto inje kugcwele amakatari backseat
Instrument ndoda.
sisi
kuvele
kunamakatari
kukhutshwa lenja lapha
Kumele
try
nje.
anything funny
abantu balande
Yazi ngahle
mina
kodwa mana sorry nije sondela ngapha. Phathi uqita kuthini?
so uyangaba
hayi theki yakho asiyiboni
hayi
So I know ama promoters abulali.
Gideon vele in 3 or 4 years kumele iye state house ichele nathi
Serious cause levulelana le.
ayilevulelani
Adlala
izima
isikhathi lathi.
Solo bafaka abancane la.
Strict.
azi strict lezi
mina ukukale noVows last week banje ethi hayi bhuti iteki ma ungalifuni silalela ikufithayo lapho bangikhiphela ama handcuffs.
What?
shout out to Gideon
What?
Yeah, I know. Strict security 101.
Alright, sharp.
I know. Shout out strict
Bana
security.
phansi
Wamkhuza dog.
no one is
Hayi
bigger than the
thina
program.
Yeah, no, no,
Ah no
no,
lapha
no,
naya
no,
no one is bigger than the labo self. I'm sure
Ngathi
bavitana.
sisi mina-
Kuzokuthi
Hayi,
wena awuyi
sisebenza-
ngale uthi ngani ngale wena.
Ngathi sithi hayi ngisebenza la bathi lathi sisebenza
Lathi
la
semsebenzini.
labana sembaza ngisabazami vele baba into
Ungababona siqala sikufona.
kodwa bayangazi but vele they don't play that shit kathesi i-last garden of house kade ngu-general because abantu ngihamba labantu beku-general so ngasithi kulokuthi ngiye ngalo so ngase ngifika lafana anje ukungena ngale kubo-general kade ungani kulelo kuze so I had just like an online ticket that I had to show the guy, then he gives me my tag ngase ngifika lafana usisi ukuthi how kathi namhla ku-general
wesibab sebekwazi
ayikho namhla ukuthi kulabantu engihamba labo namhla ngikho angike staging so lokhu zenini angithi ndoda ebona icurating ngakanani what if ngingene nabo wathi hey baba
Ngiyakwazi but not like that.
Ngiyazi but yabe ngiyena ukuthi athi ugeneral ame ngina ku general ngathi ubungena ku VIP yani ngathi hayi ujump line wathi ngiqonda ijobs
No one is bigger than the
Harare
program.
ngadlula fast ngoba ngavele ngene enzima. Wathi hawo ignore ngiyakuphinda futhi kusho yenu le yani.
Yeah, Harare kwathiwa
Ngiyabingelelanga.
kuthiwa kanti and then when itake lakho lingaphi no asiyakwazi uyaperforma sicela itake lakho alright isikhathi sami sithi edinga itake
take.
ngoba umele ngapha nije siyasebenza
Ayabalandi.
ngoba le set kodwa babelimelela
Yeah.
iset lakho siyalifuna but sicela itake bro
Bazokubiza nge-stage name.
Lamafoni lapha.
Eh, bebuye exactly bakuza stage
Xa
name
uphuma
bakwazi
utshayile mtara
Umuntu usemsebenzini. Umuntu usemsebenzini.
into xa usuphuma ukuthi awutshayile mtara
Yeah,
utshayele hawo nasiyakwazi vele okay ngalingazi vele what do you mean
azali njalo leziya
So I know my event emnandi.
Yeah,
no,
strong
no,
shout out
no,
to.
no.
There was also this past weekend Mklomelo kaDakamela. Did any of you guys go?
Chichi
Oh yeah.
versus I'm a baddie.
Well,
You take it, my kid. But
I hope they recorded like quite
like a docu of sorts.
yeah,
of
like
no, because sadly I didn't go, bro. So I don't have.
Like
but
a-
from
a
what I saw,
documentary. would have been
Culture
really
is the real flex.
Yeah,
From
bro.
what I saw.
yo man, that's actually a bar. Did you read that somewhere?
No.
You must tell them to use that.
Actually.
Yeah.
wait tell who
Qina ngosiko.
man
Actually,
tell who
Actually, one and two.
lezana
I take back what I said.
wes yesusitshela yani
Utheni ngoculture?
Ubani oculture?
culture ubani
Hayi incede nento siyaposta ngayo siyasebenzisana le ku social media thina ama urban.
Mina ngazi maybe i-date ngenxa yokuthi bihlangane lokunye. But I think they should set aside like i-date ababekwazi khona ukuthi like abantu ba free, you know?
But
I'd
that's,
like to attend that
that's
thing.
what you are saying right now. I-data because someone were free. It was Easter weekend.
boy.
ngafuna ngathi.
Thina sifuna ukugroove.
Do you want?
But that's the weekend they knew you were
We
free.
wanna party.
What do you want?
Steve Ovondo uyabe busy ngalezi weekend ngiyachaya isichikicha.
I think, to be honest, I didn't know about this one. I only found out about it on the Friday. Sembona abantu kuma status webhala nkai. Mina kathi
Kwenzakala nenkayi.
nganza kuthiwa amaye mina vele kwamade sokunengi. But for the next one I would really like to go. I would
Right,
like to
never
go.
still in
I think
advance.
like a
yeah
Zulu
no thina was still in
delegation.
advance but umuntu owasitshelayo
Umuntu wasitshelayo.
and ngesikhathi asitshela ngaso sasi have ama drinks and wayengaso umuntu ongamthemba
Upheka impahla.
Yakuhlangana lo muntu emanjosho ukutshela ukuthi
Uzwasina nguye organizayo ngiphathi
sathi sikhangela sathi
Hayi siyakuzwa tu.
Promotion yakho.
sweet topi otherwise awumpasele lapho
sasingamthembi until sibona abantu sebephosta sithi
eh
Wayiqinisile.
Kanti vele, but what's the, maybe we should have asked someone who went. Because this is like, you go for like 2 days or people go sleep over
think
or,
it was like- wasn't
or
it
it's
3?
camping vibes.
Angazi, I'm sure it's like Boma
And I'm not sure but I saw
Because people went on Friday.
ukuthi angazi kwangama stores or what but kwakulama tent and stuff and then I'm just not sure ukuthi abantu babelala khona or what but I think kulabanye abaspenda more than 1 day there
Number one on Friday.
because
waphendula
also if
sana.
it's
I think
cultural
Babu
vela
Kemba.
kula nto culture ethatha 1 day bro
Yeah, true.
you know so
Ngabona
I'm
kulo-
thinking maybe situation
they
anokuthi
gotten-
day before ukuhamba aba important okumele kube and then
Be
maybe
set
day after
up.
so a celebration or something ukuthi I actually don't know what
So
exactly it's about
Zulu delegation, labo Don Thandeka King, Lapayana.
Yeah, people came from
Yeah.
all over, dog. It was really dope.
It was really cool. I don't know if there's anyone else doing that. Ngaphandle kukaDakamela.
I think that thing is going to grow, bro. By next year, or
It's gonna be a
it's going to be
serious.
bigger next year.
yeah no for sure
Because
So
it'll
Chief
make a
Dakamela
plan.
sengaba yi-promoter
mele sibone any plan
yosiko.
bayabhuka ama
Siko
DJ
Fest.
eh bayabook.
Xa bekwenza,
I have attended a
uyatshayana.
similar thing. Bayabook.
Ukuthi imimanzi uyabushaya njani? Anyway, besingekho.
Yeah, i-problem ukuthi besingekho and asikwazi umuntu okade bekhona.
ngaphathi nyabe nyabona
How
iplan
far?
lapho into ekhona DJ zomele lifundele ukuchaya ingubo la.
it's true bro usasho khonoko yabe yabona iplan vele cheki akula
Yabona
ukuthi
iplan kumbe uchaya
'cause-
kuyisetho kwesintu or something.
vele yabona iplan
Ah, iplan
ingungu
Ukhethe
yayitshaya
lokho ibreeze ocha umzabalazo la. udakude fake auto-tune isitshaye umzabalazo nyoka.
Jaya isichikithi. Auto-tune yosiko ba. Mbulaleni.
Amane uyacapula iking bana.
Mbulaleni.
Mbulaleni lo.
Yeah, but
Yeah, no, they
it
must
looks
do more
like
of
it
those
was a
things.
really dope event. I don't know how long they've been doing it. I think it started post-COVID, if I'm not correct, if I'm not wrong. But
Yes.
I'm not
Post-
angla
post-
info vele.
post-
Yeah.
Post-COVID.
I'm not
Post-COVID.
quite sure.
But yeah, shout out to that one. I saw a lot of people went there. A lot of who's of who's who.
You guys abantu bebe bahle lapha.
Hey. That was really dope.
Kumele
What else?
sizitholeni phela sisendaweni ezinjalo next year.
Mina ngimayini.
Kwenza ukuthi singabi sesibuzana sibe
Mina
khona
ngimayini.
experience.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. For the next one. For the next one.
Also,
we're really gonna make it a point to go.
Let's
Let's tell igumbi, Nkosi.
over again.
I think they could really say
Lebe idinga imic.
yeah. Le ifuni mic.
Idinga imic.
Ah, yeah,
And
yeah.
ivoice yakhe bayamazi ufutas.
Labantu weqina isiporu mfana la.
Yoma cute esikhuluma ngayo la.
Ujambe isiporu. What else did I want to say before we finish this thing? But Dubulu put us.
Yo. Hello, welcome to.
That's
Anyway,
crazy.
Sla.
It is what you do.
Manje lithi ufutas awufaka nje.
Put us bamduli.
Kanti bamdubule ngabe emzimbeni.
Esibona.
one night.
Labantu ukukhuluma fast kakhulu.
No.
Yeah.
Bamsothe ngapi?
In the leg.
Close.
Ulona ubhale sibunu.
Ngikhono.
Anatomically. Kuthiwa kanti wena uzwe kuthiwa bamdubule in the leg.
They shot him in the leg.
No, what was it? What was the issue vele ngoma?
Ubeperforma.
Ubele scorede.
Got a break
At the
leg.
casino,
It's a
same
casino.
place where Takeoff was killed.
Usekasini ufutas.
So apparently, a casino had given him 100K like upfront
Advance.
to fund his interest. That was the caption
Yeah,
that I saw.
that's
And then
what
there was
casino
Lil Bunny.
TJ.
Yes, Lil TJ. Lil TJ, he had a fight with Lil TJ just before
Well, let's go
he
to
got
this
shot.
TJ.
So Lil TJ was arrested. But when he got out, he said, I want to
bruh.
beat your ass for snitching. And I think he's literally snitching on himself if he's the one who did it, allegedly. So my question is, if you are rich enough, why are you still hanging out in those places? Like, why are you still...
You can take
Gambling.
me out of the
Ah,
ghetto,
Zima
but you
Chance,
can
oh,
take
yeah.
Ndoda
still
babe
get
kunika
what I
imali
mean.
to
Get what I
actually
mean.
isuthu interest
Umnandi
ndoda.
lapha.
Yeah? Yabona kufuna ukuya ethaveni. Yabona kufuna ukuya emadla ogcwele patapata.
Oh, into
Iqiniso
yaziyo,
majensi
into
ukuthi
khula-
i-10,000 imali eningi. Isikole dese 10K.
Ubele scotch is 10K.
Ubechisa nge-10K ubaba offset. Ukuthi offset
100.
100.
Kanti mthiwa bamnike 100 upfront.
Fonka.
Kanti scotch ngese casino ngisana. Kanti is confused.
Hayi wena. Isikole yaso se 10K.
Yazi magents ngithanda ukuthi li locked in. Yikho ngabangani bami.
Thwana.
Ngoba into leyo singakhuluma siyakhuluma ngapho ukuthi ubhudas bamdubulile. Lonke lihle labakwazi.
Kwahle kwathiwa izivuni.
Sihle sakhuluma for 2 minutes. Ubonile. But what's funny is someone who's watching this podcast is gonna wait until his name gets mentioned. Lo uze wathi it's the same place who Takeoff was shot. And that's how people are gonna know who we're talking about.
Oh.
But immediately we all knew who we were talking about.
Yeah,
That's
no,
dope, guys.
they really set him off.
Mana sibona ngithi Oh shit, I didn't hear that one.
Yeah.
Zalalela ku.
Anjo mina ama settings ama sekundebeni mana ngithi isikolo de sika Takeoff. Sika offset man.
Likenze bhala umuntu wrong.
Kulo omunye futhi uke waphuma wathi offset ubelenye imali yakhe ukuthi isikwelede esi-1 ngaba public.
Ithiwa nakuthiwa iyacabanga.
It's not too bad after all, right?
No, dog.
Usudolanga phela wena eqaliseni
This
naba.
thing is pretty cool, bro.
Into le ngani
Cool, dog.
kuthiwa
Ayifuna uhide.
imodi
Udinga into e-agent.
Serious.
imodi
Ama-symptoms
ye-AI
ugula.
konke izithombe amavidiyo amafushane lwebhu
Short.
Yeah.
as of la bakhuma ye-IRS la umdala off ngani izikothi zimbambe ngegilo.
uGucci ngenye phela
Siza confuse ifoni.
uGucci la yabamthu abonisa okuningi. AI zwana
was kidnapped.
AI ingawenza amaphutha ngakho hlolisisa izimpendulo.
Asizikuhawula abafundi for
Disclaimer.
She.
sokusheda uhlelo nje to make it
Unkamisa,
complete.
Next year
Mpambozi.
masiya kumklomelo kaDakamila simake shoot amafoni wonke siwafaka kuma language kundebele la. Offset old 8000 how. Kathi offset la.
No kulomunye kuthiwa bayi2 olomunye ovuke esithi yena la mvelo le mali yami.
TJ put Offset on blast in early 2025 during a Twitch stream airing that the Migos rapper allegedly owed him 10K.
Vele likolodana njani
Yekele
ama 10,000
sekhasini.
magents.
Wena uyabonga kathanda isnika sharp sharp. Ikazi yadura vele kanti
Hayi
mana
sneaker
Uzwile
culture.
yini ndoda kuthaka kumele usetha ama interest ndoda.
Hawu,
Ama interest
unika
awe-
buyabiza.
Imali jeke yakuyidinga yabiningi kakhulu.
isnika
Kuyabe
ziyadura.
kuphuthuma. Wena ukuphuthuma kwakho i2 past. Onsendele $2
And
kuyiko
yeah,
cash
no,
laphuthuma.
real.
You
Only 2
understand?
past is serious.
But kwabanye ayinchain lahlelo kuyi10.
Yiko phela thina sikhulu isnika zasingabafana besaladini because zasidura.
Hayi vele siya
Sisa.
Kuthiwa
Damanje.
Ukathe seligqoka amabala emsimanga ubona ibhathele.
kuthiwa lalela kuthiwa ibe manzi iziwome olokumele liboyfriend yakhe liniki lokhu ikhipha
Damn,
ama-chain
shawty.
isithi damn shawty.
Damn shawty.
Keep it playing mntana.
The fact that thing is into le mawuyizwa khona umuntu vele obuye ekhanda lakho vele uyiwana.
Esekhipha igrill ubudasi uzujumeke.
Remember peace. Let me take my shit off.
Damn shawty.
Damn shawty.
Kule inyathi khala futhi likhiwa ukuthi lokhu zisithi why don't black people make music for shawties no more? What's up with all the shawties? Yenzela kulo mikazi futhi ngambone post esithi into zokujola inika mina ngikumbise ngo-shawty. Yazi ngathi kahle ngikhomende ngithi what up shawty.
Shawty.
What's up?
I-problem vele khona ukuthi amankazana ama-standards nxa ngakufuni.
Vele i-sexual harassment le flirting kulomzila omncane.
that only applies to niggas they don't want.
Yes,
Ngikho ngikutsho,
that's
phela
what they
ukuthi-
say.
Yibo.
The line is whether she wants you or
We
not.
are flirting. Kodwa nxa yakuvuni is sexual harassment.
Iyi-point yakhe.
Yi-point yami.
Never mind.
Suzu.
Uzazwa during the episode. Ngizaku-highlight.
Unkazana ma ikufuna nje kuyavuka ekuseni uthi yes baby girl.
baby girl. Samdala.
Baby girl. Wena uthi baby girl.
Wena uyakuthi
Ehleke.
good morning gorgeous. Kodwa hey,
Afuna ukuyakubophisa nje.
Daughter, ese hillside police station ngogorgeous.
uthi
Hayi
usathi
vele
good morning
ukubizwa
gorgeous umuntu
nge-
afuna
pet
ukulahla
name
ifoni.
ngomuntu o-wrong and vele uyafuna ukuyambophisa.
But yeah,
Kunzima industry le.
this has been another great episode of Kati
Freestyles
hlala ngelabantu
with the
boku shout out
uncles.
phakathi.
Ufuna ama shout out?
Oh, asiyawachana next week.
Okay.
Shout out to George. Cotton.
Ujojo tank.
Yeah. Usemsebenzini.
Shout out to Claire for upheki happy le mnandi.
Oh, shout out.
Yeah, no, shout out.
Shout out to Stina for kusithethisa.
Austin uzondile.
I still crush it out.
Austin uzondile.
Tina's been having it.
Uzazonda ukuthi simqambe ngebizo.
Austin uzondile.
Ngazi
But
ukuthi
yeah.
ixolizana.
Anyway, it's been a
Yeah, no.
fantastic episode. Uyivale lapha mfana.
Ivolo mfolo.
Ivole mfana.
Yovalo umkhokho.
Yovale.
Anyway, kuvalwa njani guys? I'm not used to these
Vala
things.
Dota vala.
Valeni.
That's enough.